Did you know Codex can actually take control of your mouse and keyboard and use your computer just like a human would? Let me show you how easy it is. So first, you don't need to install anything extra. Computer Use is already built in as a plugin. All you have to do is type the @ symbol right here in the chat. See that? A little menu pops up showing you all the available plugins. We're going to scroll down, or you can just type Computer Use. There it is. Now it's tagged in my message, which basically tells Codex, hey, for this task, you're allowed to control my screen. Now I just type in my actual request right after it. Something like, please open Microsoft Word on my computer and create a new blank document. So I'm simply asking it to open the app and do a small task for me. Now watch, I'm not touching my mouse at all. Look at that. You can literally see the app opening on its own, right on the screen, and there's the blank document I asked for. Now let's try another one. I'll type it Computer Use and select it again. Then I'll give it this prompt. Open the calculator app and multiply 956 times 18. And just like that, it goes to work, opens the calculator, and gives me the result. And that's it. It completed the whole task completely hands-free. This is huge for things like testing apps, filling out forms, or automating those repetitive clicking tasks you don't want to do yourself. So to recap, type @ choose Computer Use. Tell it what you want it to do, hit send, and just watch it work. Super simple and honestly kind of wild to see the first time. All right, that's Computer Use and Codex. Try it out and let me know what you automate first.